Hello! Today we're focusing on Google Docs and specifically how to make an image full page within a document. This simple process can transform the appearance of your content, so let's get into it, shall we? Start by opening your Chrome browser and in the search bar, type docs.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google email account to access the docs. Once you're signed in, navigate to the document in which you want the full page image. Next, in the toolbar at the top, look for the Insert option. When you click this, a drop-down menu will appear. Choose Image from the menu and then select or upload the image you want to use. Once your image is inserted onto the most recent page of your document, click on it. Clicking will cause the image options to appear in the right sidebar. Within these options, look for text wrapping and select their Wrap Text option from the drop-down menu. Then, right below, you'll notice fields for all margins including top, bottom, left, and right. Set all of these to 0. Finally, navigate to the Position tab where, again, you will use the drop-down menu to select Fix Position on Page. At this point in the procedure, you should be able to manually adjust the size of the image directly on the document page until it spans the entire page. And that's all for today's tutorial, folks. I hope you now feel confident making an image full page in Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.